What the heck is going on, you guys? Back at it again here on the Live Your Vision YouTube channel. Thought I'd start this video off a little different with some clothing once again, but not my own YouTube. Rogue Drive YouTube, link in description. Check that out if you guys are all about the BMWs, e36s, drifting content, huge inspiration. And yeah, I've been waiting on this. I also got a lot more. He threw in another free sticker, so shout out to him. This guy goes here, so that'll be pretty exciting. Right on the front emblem. Kind of like the rattiness of this one, even though we got the a new emblem as well. And then a shirt and a lot more stickers. I just didn't bring them because this is stuff that's gonna go on the car. I might throw that on the mirror over there. But yeah, let's go ahead and throw this shirt on right now. You guys can see me take off my shirt like freaking model. Just kidding, not. I'm just an average Joe. I've got no abs or nothing, but looks nice and thick in quality. It's printed on a pretty good shirt, and I might have to take him up on how he prints his stuff and stuff, because I kind of like it, and I like the thickness, and I don't know. I can already tell him I really like this shirt. It fits perfect, beyond perfect. Roll up the sleeves here a little bit. I kind of want to keep it nice. I genuinely like his channel and his brand and like this shirt, so I'd probably throw in the other shirt, but just thought I'd throw it on for you guys so you guys can check it out. But yeah, huge shout out, Rogue Drive, bro. Hell yeah, I really appreciate it. Great prices on all the sticker and the shirt and stuff. Regardless, you gotta support your YouTubers, your local YouTubers. I'm just kidding, far from local. Yeah, definitely gonna work on this old girl. And then I'll set this. They used to sell these at Zoomies. I got sus at there. I used to have bruh, so now I got sus bruh. I don't know, I kind of would rather have just the bruh. But yeah, let's go ahead and throw this sticker on, because I know I want to put this on the emblem. Support your boys. He had the emblem upside down and it just went like that. So, that looks sick. Next clip you should see, because I want to make sure it looks good. Next clip you should see this on there, so check it out. And just like that. Like I said, I kind of like the rattiness, and it's the one that came with the car. You know? But yeah. That looks freaking sick. Heck yeah. Huge shout out to my boy Alex. Go ahead and check out his channel once again. Let's go ahead and throw this one here too. Gotta support the boys, you know? Also want to make my own windshield sticker out there, even though I do have the OIB gang there. I mean, stickers can be race, but I don't really give a shit. Heck yeah, it looks fire. Perfect. Like a little lower, I don't know, we'll see. Next shot you should see will be this on the freaking mirror. Check it out. I did just realize that I was thinking about M3 mirrors, but you know what? At the end of the day, I do have other things that are more of a priority. So I don't know, I might just keep the non-M mirrors for my boy over here. I do have another sticker, so that looks way too sick. I don't know, what do you guys think? I don't think that would even fit in the M3 mirror anyways. They're definitely smaller. But yeah, let's work on this little thing. I would rather have it functioning rather than more aesthetics, but yeah, it looks sick. I like putting stickers like these on mirrors because it's got like that, you know, the thickness of the mirror. You can see the back of it. It's hard to explain. Like that one too. You can kind of see like there's a back to it. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and let's see how this air freshener looks alongside with the one that says sus. You know, I might just keep them all. Let's do it. Yeah, I could have always swore it hung to the side, you know what I mean? I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, that thing I've been smelling for so long, but more about like the looks of air fresheners. I always thought it would hang to the, like, down like this, and the other, like, they're the same whatevers. And you can't really read them together. Like, one side says sus, one says bruh. Sus bruh. Don't be sus bruh. I actually have that tattooed right here.
which is kind of funny. You guys are gonna have to believe me. I don't think it wants to focus. Now I'm determined to make it. There it is. See, don't be such bruh. I'd rather have just a bruh, but maybe it has always been like that. I don't know. I guess at the end of the day, I could always like hole punch it from the other side and rotate it, but we'll just leave it for now. It's cool. Got all the things that I wanted on there. More decorations, ornaments. That's how it kind of feels. I really should just be working on this damn car, but yeah. Looking real fresh. Really want to do some of my own merch as well, and keep going, keep it on. Keep it on, keep it on. If you know, you know. You're out here. If you watch this far, you're not subscribed yet. What are you doing? That's just weird. Let's get into it. Got a lot of work to do, so might not film it all, but we will do the best we can.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Hope you guys enjoyed that blast from the past, because that was filmed probably a month ago, and I thought I'd have all the energy. Kept trying to rest, trying to get better, trying to do what I could do to be in a position to where I could, this whole year was supposed to look a lot different. Add me on Instagram. Definitely will be updating there, and it's kind of hard to do things and update when you're just chilling at home all day. But let's go ahead and take this wheel off, and I also think I took the spring off back there, so I might put one of the springs in there. I just need to get it rolling, and so a shop can kind of finish it. Unfortunately, it hurts my pride a little bit, it hurts my soul a lot of it that I have to do this, that I'm gonna push this project off, but hey, that means I'm gonna drive and I could put out more videos for you guys and do things that I can do that's not quite as a big job. I knew I could do this by myself, but my mom did offer, and it's been sitting for a year plus. There's nothing worse than having your car on jack stands for a long time. I can't even take pictures of it. It'd be a different story if I could take pictures of it, but I don't want to have my mom's garage in the background as much. So let's go ahead, and I gotta go to the car. I haven't even opened these coilovers. I had this Max Peating Rod sick coilover since 2021. I don't even know. A long time ago. It was from my tax return from 2021. So yeah, long time, and I'm excited. You guys should be excited. Let's go ahead and open them up. Check it out. What's going on? We got the best coilover for the E36 here. No, I'm just playing. It is a good budget one. I also ran Racelands. I've run H&R. Also driven a car. My dad and I. Second BMW between us that we had was a 328 with BC coilovers. It's like, pretty sure BC's fairly new. Correct me if I'm wrong. This was probably back in 2012. So we didn't know what they were, but obviously they were really good. And this is crazy. This is the first time I ever opened this. I think I paid like $15 more for a slightly different shade of red too, which is hilarious. I'm not gonna like fully install these, but I am gonna have to, because I took the spring out and I think I threw it away because I assumed I was gonna do this at some point. But yeah, I got the transmission mount up, a few bolts in the bell housing. I just need to get it to rolling, put everything in the car so it can be loaded up on a tow truck, and then I will be hounding the people that are working on this every day. Maybe I could get updates through them and just include everything. Let's see what we got here. Obviously we got some tools. Awesome. Oh yeah, and obviously, I don't know if I said already, but I ran Max Peating rods on the last car. Let's just pull out one of these guys here. Man, that almost looks pink. Oh, a little damage there. Interesting. I don't care at all. Man, these look sick. Also, I think again I paid another $40 for the camber adjustment up top. Man, this looks pink. I kind of like it though. Camera shows as red, but in real life it looks pink. In the rear, I just... Oh my gosh. Did they just place it like this? Because... Oh, they did. Okay, those are shot separate. Because I was like,
the way e36s are, the spring is separate from the car, so I don't know, I'm kind of excited. Maybe I should just throw on this whole thing all at once. It'd be hilarious, but you know, I might just run coilover over there and then spring back there. Kind of jank, considering I have stock suspension on the other side, but again, need to just get it to roll, and then, but I don't know, maybe I'll get it more done today. It's a little easier because I'm not laying underneath. Whatever health-wise thing I'm going through, anytime I lay down, it's called like POTS, so it's like postural something. I get really, really dizzy laying down. And if I stand up too fast, I feel like spinning, the whole world spinning. It's not fun. This, I get to sit and do. It's a little energy wasting, but I'm running on a little energy regardless. You can kind of hear it as I'm talking, like, it takes a lot to talk, but I don't care. This car means a lot to me. And these coilovers are looking sick. Let's get into it. Let's see if I can freaking open this up with one. You know what? I'm gonna set the camera aside, pull this out. You guys already saw me pull out the spring. You know what a spring looks like. Top hats here. Adjustability. Pretty self-explanatory. Pretty easy. Start with the front because to me that's a little harder than the rear. And yeah, like I said, I could just stuff that spring back in there. So let's get that wheel off. And I'm back. So next time you look, hopefully things will look a little different. All right, I just wanted to point out, I don't know, I like the way these look. And I know it sounds silly to be like caring about aesthetics, how things look, but as you can tell, I'm kind of a wheel hoarder. And if you can tell, I've had this set of wheels, that set of wheels, another set of wheels. I'm always looking at wheels. I care about little stuff like that. This is the stickers, the upside down emblem, and bumper deletes, and fog light covers, and new headlights before I even get this car driving. This looks good. This looks like a good coilover. This looks like a premium coilover, you know. I don't, jeez, for like this is the budget drift car daily. Just all around great, good car, while looking cool, while looking low, you know, test fitting the wheels and stuff. And obviously I want to be slammed. I'm not gonna lie, this is my car. I always like low cars. I wanted to drive good too. And I have a feeling that this also has dampening too. So like there's like tiers, there's like 2 or 3 tiers. I got the higher tier for the dampening adjustment and the camber and the slightly different red. The other red was like a bright red, so I don't know, I just want to point that out. Got all the lugs off, but lug bolts off, but and that's another thing, a lot of people do lug stud conversions. I might, maybe even if it's just the rear for drift purposes, but I don't know. I really want to get this car done. So yeah, it kind of sucks that I'm handing it off to a shop, but I did legit have to work. I got 3 pedals in there, bolted out, not hooked up 100%. Shifters in, not 100%. Transmissions in, not 100%. Got lines running places, not 100%. It's funny, but it is what it is. Yeah, I would have been done by now. I do care about things. I gotta have things a certain way in my head, and it's gotta be just, but if it doesn't work out, I don't abandon things, but I do. It's hard to explain. So it feels good to finally open this box. It's been taped shut for so long. And I just want to point it out. I thought the whole thing was going to look like that, you know, that metallic, like this is painted, you know, similar color. Let's get that wheel off. And just like that, your boy's got coilover all up in there. You can kind of see it. Wasn't even trying to pay attention to ride height or nothing, but I'm going to have to tighten those down a little bit more. Kind of a pain in my ass considering I'm running on not a lot of energy. I was like, embarrassingly enough, kind of like shaking while I was doing it because I had like no strength. But coilovers in. Yeah. Oh god, that scared the crap out of me. So I'm using that jack, and yeah, I'm gonna have to clean this up. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, clean up everything out of there. I'm gonna write a full list of all the things I want to mention to the shop, and Probably gonna see if they can also install those for me. If not, it's okay. I do want to have them do a nut and bolt check to everything. As I could see here, this is kind of dragging, this brake here, and yeah, it doesn't hurt, but I'd rather them, of course I'd rather do it myself, but hey, if it's already there, I guess, have them nut and bolt check it. I don't know if I'm gonna do that yet, but clear it all out, put that other spring back in there. Like I said, just got to get it to roll. The old strut I put back here. Yeah, totally don't know where the other spring was anyways, and I'm not trying to fit a full-size spring up in there again because it's kind of difficult given the circumstance, considering I'm also going to do this anyways, you know what I mean, put the coilovers, and it's a reason to unbox it and make a video, make me feel a little accomplished with things. So yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow, put this one in, clean up everything. I got the transmission mount up on there with the Condor speed bushings and about half of the bolts to the transmission in. Probably gonna have to zip tie some of those O2 sensors and things. Try to figure out what I'm gonna do with the exhaust. Probably gonna have to throw it on the tow truck separately, and then throw everything else in the car. And yeah, never know, this week I could have it in a shop, and then in a couple of weeks have it done. I'll be driving, making videos the way I know how to make videos, and do other things like adjusting the coilovers, the dampening my own self, you know what I mean, playing around with that. So the suspension on my own, playing around with these, because I honestly don't see anything wrong with it. Oh yeah, you could spend $2,000 on suspension, but that wouldn't be the ultimate daily budget drift build, considering I got this car for this less than what I sold my E30 for, and I only bought my E30 for $1,000. So I would say I'm making out pretty good. Yeah, I did do things to the E30, and oh wow, I'm dirty as hell. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hashtag LYV gang. Definitely go check out my Instagram, considering I haven't been able to do much. I did do some Instagram stuff, and updated the Live Your Vision apparel page, which is also, I might consider uploading clips, but I might not. May upload to my main channel. Those will both be down below. Also made an Instagram for this car too, so go ahead and check that out. It was kind of just like a spare page anyways, but then I posted a picture there, and yeah, I don't want to rant too much. This has been a pretty long vlog anyways, and oh, throw that on the ground. Sure, it works. I love this thing. Headlamps. If you guys work on cars, you definitely should look into getting yourself one of these. I'm gonna go home and rest so I have energy to come back here tomorrow, which I'm probably not going to, but I'm gonna want to come back, and I still gotta clean all this up. But yeah, we got coilovers out here putting in a little work, even though I might not finish everything. It feels good to do what I can do, and one step closer, you know what I mean? I love this car so much. It keeps me going. It is one of my sole purposes, and you know, cars are just cars to some people, but yeah, I don't want to rant too much. Hashtag I love the game. If you watch this far and you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? That's pretty weird. We out here, gang gang. Hashtag I love the game. Peace out, I love you.